Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful processors, the Intel Core i5-12600KF and the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D. In this video, we'll dive deep into their specifications, performance metrics, and user feedback to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a gamer or a multitasker, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these CPUs is crucial. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i5-12600KF shines with its hybrid architecture, boasting 10 cores that deliver exceptional multitasking capabilities and gaming performance. It can reach boost clock speeds of up to 4.9 GHz, making it a powerhouse for demanding applications. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D, while having fewer cores at 8, leverages its 3D V-Cache technology to provide outstanding gaming performance, often resulting in higher frames per second in gaming scenarios. Both processors offer impressive performance, but their strengths cater to different user needs. Price is a significant factor for many buyers. The Intel Core i5-12600KF is priced at $311, which reflects its high performance and capabilities. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D is more budget-friendly at $249. This price difference can be crucial for gamers and users looking for value without sacrificing too much performance. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your budget and whether you prioritize performance or cost. User reviews provide valuable insights into real-world performance. The Intel Core i5-12600KF has garnered praise for its excellent performance in gaming and multitasking, with many users appreciating its stability and price-to-performance ratio. However, some have noted compatibility issues with certain motherboards. Conversely, the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D has received accolades for its exceptional gaming performance, particularly for those upgrading from older CPUs. Users frequently highlight the significant FPS improvements thanks to its large cache. However, some reviews mention the need for a robust cooling solution. Both processors have their strengths and weaknesses, as reflected in user feedback. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i5-12600KF and the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D are excellent choices for different types of users. The i5-12600KF offers great overall performance and versatility, while the Ryzen 75700X3D excels in gaming due to its innovative cache technology. Consider your specific needs, whether it's gaming or multitasking, and choose accordingly. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.